Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace, and healing, abundance, and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is courage. It's time to have courage and have confidence in yourself. Don't worry about who's here to help you. Don't worry about tearing yourself down. Are you enough? Are you prepared? You are more than prepared, partner. It's time to show up and show out. Show your gifts. And as you show your gifts, you're only going to tighten and sharpen your skills as you do your presentation, as you do your gift. It's only going to get better, but you must get started. Have the courage to continue. To start, to continue. Consistency is key. Never stop, because the world is yours and everything that's in it belongs to you. So step up and grab it and attain it. I'm stronger than the fear that is in me and bigger than any doubt that can surround me. Therefore, you look fear and doubt in the eye, you're guaranteed will turn around and run the other way. And then you're on the way to living a beautiful, confident life that only supports you. I am light. I remain light. I trust in God and stand tall before the tests of life. I grow and become wiser through every challenge, and I become a being of new life. You are becoming stronger and wiser, and when you become stronger and wiser, that means you can be trusted with more. That means that you can carry the weight of a blessing. Blessings have weight just like negative energy. Put in the work, the blessings will feel like a feather, not like a ball and chain. But when you put in the work where you're stronger, you're able to maintain the acres of land, the mansion, the beachfront house. But you have to put in the work so you can maintain it, because we can't give these blessings to a weak-minded or weak-spirited person. And you are not that. You're a stronger and an almighty being. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.